Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am here with a new vehicle called Tata Punch EV. This vehicle is the electric version of the already launched vehicle Tata Punch. So now let's start with the exterior of this car. The vehicle has auto LED projector headlights, sequential front side indicators, front LED fog lamps with cornering function. The charging port is in the front side. Shark fin antenna. R16 diamond cut alloys with front disc brakes and back drum brakes. A spacious front or a front storage space. It has a tailgate design like its ICE counterpart. Y-shaped brake lights. Roof mounted spoiler. 336-liter boot space and so on. Now let's go on to the interior of this car. The car has a digital dashboard with a smart 2-spoke digital steering wheel featuring illuminated Tata logo. A dual controlled knob which has many features such as Sport, Eco and City. The car has 26.3 cm digital cockpit with multi-dial view navigation, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay features, mood lights, 4 speakers and 2 tweeters, etc. Air purifier with climatic controls, a voice controlled sunroof, front ventilated seats, 90-degree opening doors, and so on. Now going to the dimensions. The car's height is 1633 mm, width is 1742 mm, length is 3857 mm, wheelbase is 2445 mm, ground clearance is 190 mm. Now to specifications. The car has two powertrain options. The first one is a 82 PS 114 Nm electric motor. It has 25 kWh battery and range of 315 km. It can charge from 10 to 80 in 56 minutes in a 50 kW DC fast charger. It also has a 122 PS 190 Nm electric motor. This option comes with a 35 kWh battery pack of range for 21 km. Now moving on to safety. The car has 6 airbags, electric stability program, parking assistant, cruise control, 360-degree camera, hill hold assistant, etc. Now going to the colors of this car. These are the colors of Tata Punch EV. The price of Tata Punch EV is shown in the price table. So now I am planning to wind up my video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And I'll be back with a new video to you guys really soon. So until then, thank you and bye.